hear him loud and clear. That's what I like to hear, dude.
Alright. It's good stuff.
Right?
Knowledge. Good old American knowledge.
American knowledge. Oh, that diamond camo though.
Oh yeah, sexy.
Yeah, should have gotten 100. Took me about 5 minutes to realize where I messed up. On the two that I got wrong. That is a rip. Back to the broken zombies. Hashtag patch didn't work.
Man, I'm hoping that I'm actually holding the ray gun if I get it.
Or that weird die glitch that was making that weird like object in front of our faces. I'm gonna open up this. And this one here. I don't think we'll have enough to go all the way down.
I'm gonna hang out until I get more points. I think we can go and get the power open and get coffin going.
Alright.
So I'm gonna leave the guy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get that nuke. I almost got it too. I'll get this one right here. And then there's two more.
I think you have enough to get the speed door, or I can get it. Yeah, I can get the other ones.
Nice.
Let's do it.
Ibanez Sims for Zombie Killers only fans. Oh, also, this stream will be going on to my YouTube in either tonight or a couple days time. Because we're going to be hitting this Easter egg real quick, dude. Speed running out here.
Oh yeah. Alright, you wanna hit the portal? Go through the tunnel.
Yeah, I have no money to go through the tunnel. What a rip. Damn, zombie pinned me. Almost died out here, dude. Whoa.
Round 5?
Right? Jumped on the railing.
Alright, Clark, it's right here by the plane. That one. Got the one between the computers.
Got the one in the window at the bottom.
Alright, now we're just going to the one on the ceiling.
That one there. Wow. And then the one over here. Oh, I missed.
Nailed it. Alright.
Got it. Finish patch. Nope, we're good.
Alright, I'm feeling a ray gun.
Hashtag Ray Bun. Don't forget the crystals when you're walking around.
We got plenty of time for that.
Right.
I go through the ether like 783 times.
Yeah, that was that first run when it was bad. Yeet.
Alright.
I'm out here getting C4 already.
These dogs are generous.
Right?
Alright. Got here.
Ray Bun. RPG again? No.
No, what is it?
What is that? I was a stoner. I'll grab Jug.
I guess I'll take this thing.
Triple papped RPG? Not happening.
That sounds terrible.
Right? That sounds like a kill yourself machine. Shoot it and just instantly die.
Alright, I'm hoping this Megaton spawns on you so you can...
Yeah, hopefully he spawns up up at the plane. If not, I'm gonna just come and grab him from you.
Kill two birds with one stone that way.
Yeah, a lot easier. I don't see him over here either. I heard him spawn. Oh, here he is. He just ran out.
Nice.
Good stuff, dude. Shoot me, Megaton. Nice.
Stoner totally shreds on round 7.
I bet. Ether Shroud. Oh. You know it's bad when you have to Ether Shroud on round 7. Yes, finally. Hey, Mini, what's up, dude? Welcome to the stream. How's it going, man? Got him.
Alright, I've got one over here.
Just got a split Megaton to take care of, and then I'm good. Hey, look, Perseus is here. What does that even mean?
Right, you pick up that key card, and I will head down to Deadshot.
Yep. Grab that thing as soon as possible. Oh. It was clutch that we both had to die last time.
And I got it out of a crystal.
Right. Oh, I just tomahawked a my recovery for the night, so at the moment not too bad. There's food. You miss Cold War? I bet, dude. I got keycard. Oh, and C4. Nice.
Sweet.
And a stim. Damn. I mean, do you want the die or shall I grab it?
You go ahead and grab it. I want to try for the ray gun again. Got a good chunk of zombies here. I'm gonna go ahead and run them through.
Yeah, I got a decent chunk, but it's not great.
Alright, come on, boys.
Still a few spawning outside the door, so watch you don't get pinched.
Trying to guide them through here. I got some slow boys.
Classic slow boys.
Go through the door. Oh, I had the ether shroud.
Oh god. Oh, you did have a decent chunk, dude. Damn.
Yeah.
There we go, got it.
Insta krill.
Nice, that insta-crow life. Love to see it. Got it.
Alright, I got a guy over here. Do we need to start?
Oh yeah, I can start the cryo one.
You got enough to run up to top of knock?
Yep.
The canister?
Oh, yep.
I'm gonna go and get Jug.
This is the first time you've seen the die machine, is it really? I mean, it's alright, it's not bad. So the Wonder Fizz is a hit and miss, because yesterday it was right here, today it's not here.
I think it spawns in at a later round.
Oh, I see.
You get it early on.
I ran up to the top of Knack to get the canister, didn't knock the box off of the top for the cryo one. What a rip. Got it. Oh, we can actually, I can do the cryo and the Nova 5 one right now. I just have to get a dog.
Alright, you want me to flip it around?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, but if I didn't miss my first shot.
Nice. Got it. Right. Everyone's just unfollowing as we speak.
Alright, we didn't get a dog.
The cryo upgrade is built.
Okay. Let me know when you want to flip.
Yeah, we're good to flip. Oh
Good
god.
place, man.
It is a
I don't
good
make fun of
place.
anybody ever.
Oh no, he's never memed anyone. Hashtag blame Hanzo. I have a Megaton here. I need a dog though. Ooh.
I've got
You
one zombie left.
Alright.
I can help kill that Megaton real quick. Actually,
I should, yeah, I should be good. Damn, Megaton out here. Where's he going, dude? He just started, like, running in the opposite direction.
I think it's because I'm down here underneath you guys.
Oh, right. Damn! This wonder weapon is OP. I just killed a split one in one hit and it flung across the map, dude. Alright, I guess we have to flip the round again.
Yeah, we need that dog.
Oh, god damn it.
Alright, I'm ready when you are.
Yep, I'm ready.
Grab Speed Cola here. The real question is, does his dog watch TV?
Right. Ibanez's dog legit watches my streams. Come on, dog, spawn in, please. That'd be great. Round 11 and we haven't had a dog spawn. What a rip.
Yeah, it's bound to happen. Nuke? No, thank you.
No, definitely not. Don't want it. None of that. Okay. I feel like I need to pap in a second here. My gun's not doing too great right now.
Yeah.
Oh, dog round clutch.
Hey, and you're already down there.
Right? That's what I like to see. Nice. Oh, I just had that weird glitch. I bought a weapon upgrade for my shotgun. It went all the way up to epic, switched to the die, and then went back to the shotgun. What?
I told you, dude, that happened to me yesterday.
What even is this, dude? Treyarch messed everything up by updating.
Like, legit, the only good thing I saw out of the patch was they put pat camo on the ray gun.
Right?
The ray gun that you can't even hold. Deadshot daggery.
God damn it.
Dog, stop jumping in the train.
I can come and try and grab it from you. Oh, an armor vest, even though I've only got one tier of armor so far. There's an over 5 upgrade, good stuff. Alright, I'm gonna kill this one. Oh no, now I have to build the ether scope. Which is... Yeah.
Alright, I'm right here by it.
Alright, hit it. So one will be by me, one will be over at spawn, and one will be down at Pep.
Okay, I'm over here by the stairs.
Yep, if you want to grab that one and then run down to Pep.
I got it.
Nice.
Got hella dogs.
Yep. Go get up on the plane, you dumbass, dude. What the fuck? And then there should be,
Go check the stairs.
guys, go vote, vote, yeah, go vote, go vote, god, and then I got this one.
Yeah.
Hella dogs. I'm ready for it. Alright, points. Ether Shroud.
Hey.
Woo! Alright, I'm gonna go build the ether scope. And then it's the ghosts. We could probably both do the ghost bit because there's 4 in total.
Alright.
So there's 1 at the crafting table at the bottom of Pap. There's 2 in the speed cola bit, and then there's 1 by the armor. Hit the ether portal. So if you get the 1 at the crafting table and by the armor, and then I'll get the speed cola.
Out here doing things.
Right. ZK actually doesn't know. Doesn't know what? I'm so confused. Alright.
Got one.
Oh, you know what I didn't do?
What?
Is pick up the, here I got it. The diary. The guy,
Oh, I got a big boy on.
the ghost was like holding out his hand and I'm like, what does he want? And I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta give him the diary. What a rip. I got work in a few hours, so can't stay. Have a good stream. I appreciate you, stopping by, KP. Have a good day at work, man. Alright, and that should be all the ghosts. Alright. Power required. I'm gonna do the this step of the Easter egg too.
We're totally pros at this, by the way.
Right?
Just saying.
Like, just saying. Just gonna say it right now. Whoa.
Okay. Right. Get away from me, Megaton.
Nice.
That's my life right now.
And now we should have... Nice. Thermophasic. And now I just need to get the electrical one.
Okay, so you gotta grab that crystal.
Yeah, I gotta grab 3 of them.
Okay.
Crystal, trying to do it hella quick. Go for it. Oh my god. No! Oh, sorry, I got the crystal. We're good, we're good. I got the crystal. We can still do it.
Okay. I'll do my best to not get caught and knocked real quick.
Alright, that's all the upgrades. We got the Electrobolt one. Okay, so we got all of the upgrades. I think all I need to do now is shoot the thing with each upgrade. It is indeed. Alright. Got it. I mean, I'll take it anyway. There we go.
What's a povu?
Right? Is this a British term I'm not familiar with? Like, what's the last upgrade? Oh, the thermophasic one. That works.
Alright.
Now we just have to go back into the ether.
Right there.
And then you got to do the tank bit as soon as I grab the wrench.
I'm gonna go craft this Semtex. Bro, every time.
Also, BRB, I never actually left. No worries. Gladiator's like over here, BRB. He's like, I wonder if they're gonna talk shit, and it just lurks. What's the furthest you've made it? So far, my highest is 56. With me and Ibanez, it's 53.
I'm gonna kill this Megaton real quick.
Is it one of the red ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a rip.
Didn't get the wrench.
I'm about to pick it up right now.
Okay, cool.
Boom.
Oh, nice. Do we need to be in the ether for me to interact? Oh, no we don't.
I don't think so, no.
Nope.
And then it should fire around and I'll pick it up. I mean, you can grab it if you want in front of that tree.
Okay.
And you got to take it to the speed cola room, but don't drop down. Go to the left, and you'll see like a little red panel on the wall.
Oh my gosh, you run so slow with this thing.
Oh, that zombie behind you. Oh wait, I'm gonna kill this one and grab that other one with, because that was a heavy one. Yeah, that's what I picked up when I had like megatons and a full train behind me, and I was like, whoa.
I feel so fat right now.
Right? It's like Brutus.
Alright.
Let me know when you're ready to flip around.
Yeah, go ahead. Do it.
Nice. We getting that stuffs and things done, dude.
You need a little revive.
Someone clip that. Beautiful sounds by Ibanez.
You're listening to the smooth sound of Ibanez playing. Hey. Well, I guess you're gonna have to run him down there.
I might just run him through spawn. No, I can run him down, I guess. Oh! I've got the electric bolt die, so it kills him in literally a second. Well, I may have to Ether Shroud in a second, dude. It's getting dicey down here.
When I thin my zombies out, I'll come down there with you.
Oh, I got another one maybe on me. I don't know if he's spawning on me or you. I think I got both.
I didn't hear him spawn close to me.
Yeah, I got him. I got both. Ether Shroud. Okay, I split him directly under it. Alright, got both of them in there.
Hey.
We're pretty much we're like right at the end.
Yeah, we're close. I've got one with me too, but I guess you've already...
I've got a split one with me, and I've got one of the split ones up in the canister.
Okay, so I'm gonna... Oh, and then it's gonna get crazy.
Don't spoil it for real, I'll try not to. It should be good, I'll just watch a couple minutes of it.
Hello, Mr. Olaf.
Remember, when this door opens, there's gonna be hella dogs, hella zombies.
Yeah.
And then all we have to do is go to Knack, do that last cutscene, so we'll gear up beforehand.
I'm taking my route. I'm going out this door.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out this one and up the portal like I did last time. Poor Orlov. Imagine having that name.
Right, he was doomed from the start. It's almost bad as being named Hansa.
Right, imagine it. I wonder if they... no, they wouldn't have fixed this yet. Type 63, you can just buy it through the wall. Oh my god.
Running.
Oh, I got pinned. I'm good. I just had to
Yeah, you
change
can
course. I'm going up fast travel. Damn, I got pinned by hella dogs then, dude.
Get me down to spawn. Hey, whoa.
I had to go the other way, like up through the Knack portal, because mine got cut off.
It was good. I thought
Hey,
there
now,
was more than there actually was.
I've been underappreciating these weapons, dude.
It kind of reminded me of the Draken a little bit.
Because you have the die machine, and you can shred them, that's why. Exactly. That's why they're all spawning on me. I do be shredding with this, though. Not fair on the poor little Megatons that I just killed. Damn, I keep forgetting the Spaz 12 is, or the Gallo, sorry, is full auto.
Yeah, I don't even take advantage of that feature.
Right.
Whoa. How do you point blank an armored zombie right in the face, and it's like, nope, just half health?
I know, right? Makes no sense. Almost got that triple pap money. I got a decent bit of salvage, I'm gonna upgrade.
Yeah. What do I got here?
He has an armored face. Damn, pap is hella dark, dude.
Alright, where's this box at?
Revive? Sentry turret, what a rip.
Yeah,
I
don't do what I
literally,
did.
I picked up the, I don't even know what it was, Pellington sniper or some shit, and like my gun didn't use the animation like it usually does, where it falls on the floor and it disappeared behind me. I thought it was gone for a second then, dude.
Oh shit. Is it still? You stupid ass rabbit. I hate you.
Right? Getting trolled right now, dude. Yep, I got it. Oh, I'm gonna put dead wire on this too. Alright. I always blame hands though, no matter what. Get that hashtag train going. Damn! I'm gonna spin it. Just, yeah, literally. I mean, I need the electric dye, but if I've got that and the ray bun, dude. Hashtag OP zombie.
I can't believe I dropped my gallo.
Yeah, that was an F, dude. Well, no ray gun for me. What a rip.
Okay. I got another big boy over here.
Also, everyone watching right now, when we get to the boss fight, I won't be looking at chat because it is intense, so I'll look at it when we're done with it. Because it gets crazy. One wrong turn, dead. I'm gonna buy a self-res just before I go in there.
Yeah, good idea.
Have you unlocked that yet?
You said 53, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, I thought it was, no, 51 is dead shot.
Yeah, I just hit 51 today.
What level am I right now? Prestige 118, it's not bad. I doubt I'm gonna hit 3rd prestige by reset.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, I stuck a dog with Semtex as I jumped off the plane wing. That was lit.
Oh, just die.
Okay, I got no more zombies.
I've got a few zombies and I've got like 4 half megatons here.
Oh, I almost killed a zombie, dude. Look at the health of that.
Hey.
Oh, there's a crawler there too.
Alright, go hit that double pap.
I'm gonna grab a couple stims, self-res, and some C4.
Alright, sweet. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna refill my armor and then let's head in.
Alright. Here we go, this is it. This is the boss fight. We out here. Yeah, just remember, at that, like, second we get out of there, just go. Like, if one of us die, just go.
Yep, I'm taking the tunnel up through Noct. Alright, we have to be in here in Noct, right?
Yep.
We have to go through the ether portal to interact with that ghost.
Alright. Nice.
Got it.
Zombie should pause and leave us alone for a second. See you later.
He's fucking off over there.
Right.
This guy kind of looks like Mr. Freeze.
Dude, the ray gun is... He does look like Mr. Freeze a bit. Look, that gun sits on your back normally. The ray gun, on the other hand... Oh man, I don't even know what to say about that one.
Like, where's the handle go?
It just is in your back, like half the gun, and the barrel is like sticking out of your back too. Are you wait, get it out one real quick. Oh my god. Your hand is like bent backwards.
This is so broken.
Right? Oh,
All right.
nice.
Picture.
Alright. Let's do it.
Alright, this is it.
Alright.
This is what we trained for.
Right? Ah, okay. Orlov, where's your stupid asset?
I'm lost. Where is anything? Okay.
Down here by the actual pap. He out here.
Armor.
Oh, good idea, good idea, good idea. Got it.
Fucking Dr. Claw out here.
Right? I just expect him to be sat in an armchair, like, with a cat. Inspector Gadget. Dude, I haven't watched that in so long, it's not even funny.
I'm running.
Yep. Megatons are spawning, I got die. Going for him.
Got my hashtag Raybun.
Hashtag Raybun clutch. Get me up, out of the way, oh man.
Okay. Where's Mr. Orlov? Oh.
He is middle, I think. Ether Shroud.
Oh, wrong way. Okay. Stem.
Big guy.
Okay.
Okay, I'm running. I'm gonna grab armor on the way past.
Good idea. Got Megaton breaking my armor. Don't want that. Out of my face.
I don't remember there being this many Megatons last time, dude. There probably were.
That's clutch.
Okay.
Nailed it. Alright, where's he at? Up here.
Nice.
Is he over at the panel now?
Yep.
Okay.
Ether Shroud.
Okay.
Things getting sketchy, dude. He did that one pretty quick. No, I fell. Son of a... Bear with me, guys. I'm not gonna look at chat real quick.
It's not because he hates you, it's because he hates you.
God damn it. Oh, he's floating in the air. What? Megaton was out here ice-scapating in thin air. Oh, I might die.
No. Do you got
Yep, dead.
Crowd?
I got self-res.
Okay.
I'm up. Just kept my jug. I was dumb. I was training like Megatons down here. I got no stims.
Oh! I went the wrong way. Holy crap.
It's mostly the dogs and the Megatons that's just like in the way. We need a... I'm gonna grab armor. I'm gonna try to get the zombies off of Orlov real quick.
Yeah, I was just over here. Oh, this is sketch.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Maybe go on armor, run real quick here.
I'm gonna go on a Megaton killing spree.
Boom. That. Alright, where's he at now?
Oh, I'm dead.
I'm coming. Can you fire your die?
No. I can now.
Got you. Run.
That's the last one, I think. That failsafe one is that now.
Yeah.
And then it's just run. Just get.
Go up through where Elemental's at whenever we exit.
Yep. I've got Ether Shroud for that as well. I'm gonna try not to use it until we're getting out of here. Okay, we need to get some zombies off of him real quick. If we can.
Yeah,
Oh, he's got megatons on him.
Shots when I can down there.
Ooh, I got chunked for my health, dude. Alright, I'm gonna grab armor.
Okay, I got the zombies off of him.
Okay, that megaton down. They're all coming up to me, what a rip. Don't come this way, there's hella megatons.
Alright, noted.
I'm gonna try and take him out real quick. Whoa. Holy shit, dude. Yep. Got the big red guy over here.
Oh,
Alright, he's dead, he's dead.
Hey,
nice,
right.
Now we just got up through Elemental.
Yeah.
Let's do it, dude.
Whenever it lets me out.
Right?
I got an Ether Shroud.
Killed both. Alright, get ready. What?
No.
Go. I Ether Shrouded but still died. Good stuff, dude.
Failed it.
Nice. See you later, zombies, as you leave my dead body on the stairway.
God, that got crazy again.
Right? It's that last bit I get wrecked.
Yeah, I hit a stim
GG.
shot right as I was running through those beams up the stairs there.
Yeah, I hit Ether Shroud, and when I was down, I was in my Ether Shroud. I was like, what?